Hello buddies, this is Sai Pawan hosting from Gizmos Boy, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can expand your device RAM or memory in order to enhance your device performance. So for this I'll be using an application called Resoft RAM Expander, and the most important point to note here is that in order to expand your RAM using this application, your device needs to be rooted. So ensure that your device is rooted. So without wasting the further time, let's get started. The Resoft RAM Expander is one of the paid applications that are available in the Google Play Store. If you don't want to spend your money on this software, then you can download the software from the application AC Market. So let's enter into the topic. Now basically what this application or the software does is it just allocates some part of the internal storage of your device as a virtual memory. That means some part of internal storage will be converted into virtual RAM. That in order to explain that means the tasks which you are using currently will be consumed by the virtual memory created by the application, and the original memory or the RAM of your device will be somewhat free. So now going to the options, the first one is the driver KK. This is the value set by the device itself when you select the option for which you want to expand your RAM. I will be showing you that later. And the below 3 files is also the default option selected by the device in order to meet the requirements by which option you choose. And the below 3 options are the stats of my device. It is showing that the internal storage is free of 4.55 gigs is free out of 10.7 gigs. And the second one is the RAM, which is free currently. That is some 200 MB of RAM is free out of 2 gigs. So I want to increase the RAM in order to enhance my device performance. So just click on this button, optimal values, and it will load the drives or the device storage that is currently on the device, that is the SD card, the internal storage, etc. So currently I don't have an SD card, so I will be selecting the option internal storage. Okay, it says that I have selected this one. Now click OK, and now it will be asking for the type of usage for which you want to expand the RAM. That means either for multitasking or for balance or for gamers or for net gamers. I'll be explaining you now. First one, the option multitasking is generally basically useful for the people who want to do multitasking. That means use more than 3 or 4 applications at a time without getting lags. So for those people, the multitasking option is useful. And for balanced, the balanced option, what it does is it just allocates the same amount of memory for each and every application that you are using. This is the option called balanced. There is no much difference between the options multitasking and balance, but somewhat it slightly differs in the performance. And the third one is actually for the gamers. If you want to play heavy games like Asphalt 8, Airborne or Nova or Implosion, then it will be useful for you in order to expand your device's performance. So, and the last one is for the net gamers, that is for the gamers who play the games a lot on the website or internet like Miniclip, etc. So for basically currently I want to use it for me for the purpose of playing heavy games, so I'm selecting the option gamers. Now click OK, and it will take some time in order to create that swap file which is useful for expanding the virtual RAM. So it initially takes some time. I'll just skip this creation part and I'll just be back when it is about to complete. Okay guys, it did not take much time to create that swap file. It just completed within 2 minutes. So it's a pretty cool thing, but after the creation of the swap file, it is saying that it is turning on, please wait. So it has allocated some 1.4 gigs of my internal storage as a virtual RAM. So it is a pretty cool thing. Coding, it's a regular one, no. So now I have my virtual RAM of 1.3 gigs additional to my original RAM. That means say it is showing that out of 3.25 gigs I have 1.9 gigs of RAM. That means approximately 2 gigs of RAM are available out of 3 gigs, which is a good thing. That means since before that my device has a RAM of 200 MB, which is increased up to 1.9 or 2 gigs, which is a great thing. and let's hope for the best that it performs well up to the mark. So I'll be making another video regarding the performance if possible, in order to ensure you people that this application works. So this is how the application works, and it is working beautiful as I've already tested it. So you just also give it a try, and if you like the software, then please go to Google Play Store and rate it. So that's it guys for this video. This is Cyclone signing off from Gizmos Pro, and I hope to see you in my next video.